Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I shave my face. Make sure you start with a clean skin. You don't want to have any makeup on your face when you're doing this. And just put your hair away from your face in a clip or a ponytail because you don't want to accidentally cut it. I'm using this Tinkle eyebrow trimmer I got from Amazon, but these days I'm sure you can find them in any local store. I think I found some in Miniso recently. So tighten your skin using the other hand and start shaving in a downward motion, and be very careful as you're doing this. The blades on these are very sharp and you really don't want to cut yourself, right? Can you see the hair on the blade? I'm going to repeat the same motion on the side of the face before I move on to the other side of my face. Take your time with this process and be extra gentle. Make sure that there's no moisture on the skin, then it's really dry. Moisture as in like no lotion, or once you're done washing your face, make sure that you pat dry with a towel. Especially around your eye area, the skin here is very delicate, so I recommend you to be careful. If it's the first time doing it, avoid it if you can. Let me actually show you guys close up, probably help you guys see better. Look at all the hair, you guys. I have tried threading and waxing, and both of them are very painful. This is so much easier. My skin feels so smooth after shaving. My foundation goes on smoother. So once I'm done shaving, I'm going to take the cotton ball and use a toner. It's an alcohol-free toner that I'm using from Body Shop. It's a vitamin E hydrating toner. If your skin is sensitive, please skip the step. Instead, you can just wash your face with cold water, anything that can calm your skin. Don't forget to moisturize your skin at the end. I'm using the Pond's Light Moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you have. That's it, you guys. This is my face shaving routine. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want more videos on makeup, beauty, skincare. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye. I know that there's something so special about your unique face. You got me, you got me, you got me.